Real wealth is not built by chance. It is built by strategy. And real estate remains one of the most powerful tools to achieve real wealth in real time. In this episode of Realities of Real Estate, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 proven strategies to build long-term wealth through property acquisition. So whether you're in the diaspora or you're investing for the very first time or you're staying here in Nigeria or you're just someone starting small, these are the same principles that wealthy investors use to protect their capital, grow their assets, and build legacy over time. So I encourage you to watch to the end of this video so you get the last strategy that ties everything together. Hello and welcome to Realities of Real Estate. If you're new here, my name is Kelechi Ibeako. I am your host and a real estate consultant. So today we'll be discussing something very amazing and very important in your wealth building journey. Today we are talking about something important: how real wealth is built through property acquisition. This is not about hype. This is not shortcuts, but real sustainable wealth. So if you've ever wondered how people quietly build assets that outlive them, stay with me. Number 1 strategy is that you have to think long term and not emotional. This is the first strategy, and that has to do with your mindset. Wealthy investors don't buy property because it is trending. They buy because it makes sense in the next 10 years, in the next 15 years, in the next 20 years from now. Real estate rewards patience. If you're buying with emotions, urgency, or pressure, you're already losing big time. Number 2 strategy to building wealth is buy location, not just the land. Location is not about beauty. It is about the future demand. Future demand has to do with infrastructure, access road, industries, population movement, government interest. These are what pushes the value of a property. Smart investors buy where growth is going, not where growth has already happened. What is strategy number 3? Maximize land banking, which is a wealth multiplier. Let me tell you honestly, land banking simply means buying land and holding it for the future. This is how many young investors quietly build wealth without you knowing. You don't need millions, you need vision, patience, and the right location, as well as the right guidance. Time does the heavy lifting for you. Number 4 strategy is to start small, but start right. You don't need to have it all figured out before you start. Many wealthy investors started with just 1 plot, an installment payment from emerging locations. The key is starting right and not starting big. Honestly, consistency will always beat the size. And then strategy number 5, documentation is the real property value. A property without proper documentation is not wealth, it is risk. There's need to verify the survey plan, deed of assignment, allocation letter, irrevocable power of attorney, the C of O where applicable. Documents are what protects your money and preserve your legacy. Strategy number 6, ensure you work with a trusted real estate professional. Wealthy investors don't gamble alone. They work with trusted real estate brands. They work with professionals with good track records of delivery. They work with people who value transparency over noise. Who you buy from is just as important as what you buy. Strategy number 7, ensure to reinvest and not just cashing out. True wealth grows when profits are reinvested. Sell 1 asset, reinvest into 2. Use appreciation to expand your portfolio. This is how property becomes a system, not just a one-time win. Real estate is not magic, it is strategy, it is patience, and it is discipline. Now, if you learned something big today from this video, kindly go ahead to like, subscribe to the channel, share with someone who wants to build real wealth. And until I come your way again, invest smart, protect your future, and build with intention.